Do you want to impress everyone with that French dessert that looks complicated, but it is super easy? Ready, set, bake. 1. Add 1 cup of water, ½ cup of unsalted butter, and 2 tablespoons of white sugar in a large saucepan to a boil over medium-high heat. 2. When it boils, immediately add 1 cup of white flour and stir hard with a rubber spatula until all of the flour is incorporated. Continue stirring for about 90 seconds. 3. Scrape the mixture into a bowl, and while the mixture is still warm, add the 3 eggs slowly. Mix until the dough is smooth and glossy, and the eggs are incorporated. The dough should be thick but fall slowly and steadily from the spatula when lifted out of the bowl. 4. Transfer the dough to a piping bag and in pipe dollops roughly 2 inches in diameter and 1 inch high on parchment paper. Bake in a preheated 220 degrees oven for 22 minutes, or until the dough is golden brown and appears dry. 5. Cut the tops of the cooled puffs off with a knife. Pipe the cream filling into each pastry, then place the cap on and decorate with 10 grams of melted chocolate on top. And it is ready to go. Please let me know in the comments if you enjoyed this recipe at home. Don't forget to like, subscribe, check Flour Bay website for the full recipe, but most importantly, never skip breakfast.